If you've forgotten your Gumroad password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the Gumroad login page. Navigate to the Gumroad website and click on the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Gumroad account. Type in your email and click the Send Reset link button. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Gumroad with the subject line related to password reset. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will take you to a page where you can enter a new password. Choose a strong password, confirm it, and submit the changes. Once you have reset your password, you can log into your Gumroad account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Gumroad support for further assistance.